Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. Today we wanted to talk to you about really the differences in nursing home abuse litigation and how that's handled in different states across the country. We're a national nursing home abuse and neglect firm. That's all we do at our firm. And there's some really key components in investigating and filing these lawsuits across different jurisdictions and states around the country. So really there are so many differences based on the state where your loved one resides and where the injuries occurred. So the differences are special laws that protect our elders. There are certain states that have enacted legislation that specifically protects our elders, in addition to the federal laws that protect our elders that are living in nursing homes. So, for example, if you are selecting a doctor and you want to make sure that you're going to the best doctor for your brain injury, you're not going to go to an orthopedist who specializes in knees and joints and broken arms. You want to select somebody that knows brain surgery and knows it very well, regardless of the state that they're in. That's really how selecting a lawyer needs to be. You need to find out exactly what happened in the particular case and why you think you need a lawyer, and then you need to seek somebody out that specializes in that area and that area alone, if at all possible. That's all we do here at Smith Kline Smith, is we focus on elder abuse and neglect, and we're a national litigation firm, and we've spent time and developed a team here of experts in all of the jurisdictions that we practice in, so that we know all of the laws that protect you and your family from neglect and abuse. So really there's three main areas to focus on when making those decisions on where the lawsuit is going to be filed and what type of damages are available. So first, the statutes of limitations are different in many different jurisdictions, many different states. A statute of limitation is really the deadline, the last day that you can possibly bring a claim, and that claim be held up in a court of law. If you fail to file your case within the statute of limitation, then you're forever barred from bringing a claim for any injuries and damages in a lawsuit. And different states have different statutes of limitations. For example, Texas is a 2-year statute of limitations, and they generally don't apply what we call the discovery rule, but many states do. The discovery rule is when the person knew or should have known something happened to their loved one. So in California, there's an elder abuse statute that has a 2-year statute of limitations, but a wrongful death action in a medical malpractice case is 1 year. So the statutes of limitations vary around the country, and it's so important that the lawyer you choose knows those statutes of limitations. So next really are the causes of action. There's different causes of action that you can pursue, that our clients pursue in different jurisdictions based on the laws that protect the most vulnerable members of our society, our elderly living in nursing homes. So it's so important to know all of the causes of action that are available for recovery in a lawsuit involving abuse and neglect of an elder. Finally, the damages that are available to you for your losses to our clients are different depending on the jurisdiction the case is filed and where the injury occurred. We know that our clients come to us for justice on behalf of their loved ones and not necessarily for money damages, but monetary damages are the way that we hold corporations accountable. So when you're considering filing a lawsuit and you're looking for a lawyer, it's so important that you ask that lawyer, regardless of where they're located and regardless of where this incident happened, you want to know that they're specialized in this area of the law. You want to make sure that they know about the federal laws and every state law that protects our elders living in nursing homes. So please, before you make a decision, make sure you ask that question, because it will really make a difference for your loved one and your family.